This channel gets millions of views just by uploading AI-generated cat videos, and this channel also monetized. This channel has a revenue range of $3,000 to $30,000 according to Social Blade. This new niche have low competition and it is easy to create. So, in this video, we are going to see how we can generate this content only by using free AI tools. Let's start with step 1. First, let's generate images for this content. Visit Lexico website to generate images for this content. The link for the website's given in the description. Enter your prompt and generate different images for the whole content. Now for step 2, non-copyrighted background music for the content. Check Pixabay website. It contains many background music that are free to use. Step 3, for the editing work. It is best to choose CapCut if you are new to editing. It will be easy to use for beginners. Create a new project and import all the images in order. Trim the image for your timing. For the animation, click the animation option below and select the one which suit your video. Now your video is ready to export. Step 4. Export your video in high quality and in a better FPS.